Main relay removal, 1996 Honda Civic. Tools recommended for this job are a 10mm, a pocket screwdriver, also a Phillips head screwdriver. We used a power version. The main relay is located here behind the glove box. Start by removing the glove box. There are two 8mm fasteners that hold it in from underneath. You can also use a Phillips head screwdriver. With the fasteners removed, you can just undo the latch and remove the entire glove box as an assembly. Now remove the right side dash trim panel. It's held on by this plastic clip here, and also this Phillips head screw located here. With the fasteners removed, you can now unclip to trim pieces. With the trim pieces out of the way, you now have access to the 10mm fastener that holds the main relay in place. Remove the 10mm fastener. Remove the main relay and disconnect the electrical connection.